Yo, greetings and hello everyone. Are you an affiliate institutions? In this video, you must be ready to take your clickbait journey to the next level because I'm going to show you how to verify your Clickbank account in 2023. So guys, make sure to stay ready and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So here I am guys on the Clickbank official website. Now all you need to do is simply click on the website which is clickbank.com and then drag your mouse into affiliates and from here click on how to make money online. So this is a tool on how to get started your official account. Because you might ask me, why should I do that and not click on start here? Basically, if I want to start here, for example, this is really important for you guys to know. So here I'm going to do that. Sounds good. Just getting started. Here, I want to quit my job, for example. I'm just doing stuff like randomly. So here we go. Instagram, YouTube. Here, none. Okay, here, I don't know. These types of tools are expensive for me, for example. And finally, here, YouTube, for example. And then finally, they will ask us here to leave an email. So this is kind of like when you go for a job interview and they tell you that we are going to call you later. But they don't really do that. They just ignore you and rejected you in a nice way. So what you should do in that case is simply click on this affiliate menu, as I said, and then click on how to make money online. 17 ways to make money online in 2023. Okay, now go all the way down and find the first step, which is start affiliate marketing. In here, search for you can sign up and click on it. So here we go. They will take us to this page. So now, here what you are going to do. Fill these informations with yours. So here just put the country, the last name, etc. So for example, here I'm going to do that. I think I have a problem with this one. It's not working at the moment. For me, maybe the cookies are not working well. Let me just try it on another browser. So here we go, here, and let's check if it's going to work now. Even though I'm not sure. Okay, it is working now. So as you saw here, it is working. So for example, I'm going to choose here Morocco or any country that accepts the program of the Clickbank, and then fill these informations with yours, and we will meet right after I fill mine. It's not gonna take a long time for you to do that. Just make sure to put your correct phone number and your correct email address as well, and then just follow these options so you can create the best password for the platform. So I'll be back in a second. So guys, as you can see, now I have signed up and these were my informations. I've done correctly. So, and then you have to click on continue to terms and conditions. Make sure to take a look into it. As you can see, click backlight contract. Here you will find everything about the terms and privacy in general. And once you feel like you read everything correctly, you can click simply on join Clickbank. But it depends on the period that you have actually joined the Clickbank service. Sometimes they will not accept you. So for me, for example, here, they stopped accepting new signed up. Why? Because there is some fraud, there is some conspiracy on this website, so they really stopped it. So in case guys you had already an account or future later on in the future you want to create an account, this is how you must do it, and this is the easiest way to get your account activated and accepted in Clickbank. Otherwise, if you went through the step that I've showed you before, which is going through here and then clicking on start here, you will not get really to the point where they are going to sign you up. They are just going to ignore you in a way, in a nice way. And in case you needed more informations, you can simply hit up once more to this affiliate menu, click on how to make money online, and here also there is what is affiliate marketing in case you'd like to get it, and then you can simply read the articles. Reading the Clickbank articles to know more about it is really important. That will give you a step ahead from the others that are trying to compete for this position. So guys, make sure to give it a try and look into it. So here is the start affiliate marketing step. Make sure to give it a look, how it works, what do you need especially for this work, and how many days do you need to start working and getting your money. So now at the moment, the amount of people that are getting paid through the affiliate marketing of Clickbank has been boosted by 45% between 2019 and 2020. So and the amount of people that are getting money within the first 90 days has been boosted by 75%. So this is an important or very important number to put in mind, since people now are actually making money. And when I said people are making money during the first 90 days, I didn't mean any money. I meant $2,000 within the first 90 days, which is a really important number for us as a beginners, or for you guys as beginners. So here it is the article in front of you. Here there is some kind of the difference between all the type of affiliate marketing. There is the links that will get you paid by clicking, by buying, by just getting into the site, by just like viewing the site or staying on the site for a while. So there is different kind of commission that you are getting paid for depending on the link that you have and the product that you are promoting for. And of course, the platform that you are on it as well. So here on Clickbank, they have all these kind of different commissions, but there is other platform that don't have this amount of commissions. And here there is this affiliate marketing score, which is like score of what you need the most, and what it has the most on 5. So for example, the setup and time speed, it is really decent. So you only need 3. Required investment 4. Experience level 3, and potential profit is 5. So you need a lot of investment for beginners. So you need to promote for your link. So you need to do some advertising for Google Ad, YouTube Ad, etc. And then you need to give it some time, and you need to have a little bit of experience, not really big ones, just to know how to use the internet, the news, which platform to go for, what product to go for, and the potential profit. If you knew all of this and you had all of these 3, you will get a potential profit of 5 on 5, which is really, really decent, guys. And yeah, this is totally about it. So get verified very easily on your Clickbank. Just follow the steps that I've showed you. But at the moment, they are not allowing people to sign in. Even me through here, they are not showing me the countries. But this is the only way to get registered on Clickbank and to get verified as well. So guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.